If you're not making $10,000 a month with your print on demand, let me show you a couple of things that will help you level up your game. The fundamentals you follow and your consistency will determine your level of results. Conviction in those fundamentals allows you the confidence to push through all that losing campaigns on the journey to the one that actually takes off and pays for all those losses. Having confidence in your launch strategy and having an abundance mentality turns everything in your favor. Now, when you're launching and spending all that hard-earned cash that you've made from a job that you hate on ads that you didn't know would be a shot at selling, well, you now know that money is being spent the best way possible. With the confidence of you following those fundamentals, it allows you to relax into what you're actually doing and enjoy the print-on-demand game. This is actually quite fun. When you allow yourself to have that fun and you relax into it, that's when you start to make $100 a day profit, $500 a day, $1,000 a day profit. It's when the magic happens. When you've got the confidence in your launch strategy and following those fundamentals, it means you're no longer second guessing every design that you're putting out. When you do launch, you know because you've designed to those fundamentals, it's just the phrase that needs to connect and it's a matter of those ads taking off and then you just need to scale. It removes all those second guessing opportunities. Is that phrase okay? Is this design okay? Is the color okay? Does the design look good? Is this the right product for the right niche? Does this ad setup work? Does this ad creative sell? Can I sell? Can I? POD is tough, and if you're not guided by the experts in the industry, so much of it is done from the seat of your pants. Trusting your gut when your gut doesn't know, listening to other experts in the groups that haven't even designed a piece to sell themselves. Which brings me to the point of this story. After being asked 1,000 times on TikTok, on YouTube, on PODHacks and everywhere else, if I did those one-on-ones, I now have something that I can share with you that I am incredibly proud of. 1000% yes, I do personalized coaching. I have just released the PODHacker Accelerator, and in 6 days, the first 20 spots were filled. When I released access to the program, I had over 60 calls booked within 2 hours. I've been through 25, filled 20 spots. I've got another 41 calls to go for the December intake. It is nuts. In the PODHacker Accelerator, I give you access to the Jewelry Juggernaut course, the Etsy course, and so much more. There are 8 modules in total, which forms the framework of being able to launch confidently. And it all starts with module 1, which I'm most proud of, and that's the Bulletproof POD mindset. This module helps you form an ironclad mindset that allows you to battle with all those losing campaigns on your journey to find the big winners. Between someone who's successful with print on demand and the unsuccessful is the successful who's put up with a lot more failure. On top of that, the experts have often been smart. They've worked with people smarter than them. They've paid to work with people smarter than them. They've invested in themselves. I've personally spent over $60,000 on coaches and courses to get to where I am. Thankfully, the PODHacker Accelerator is nowhere near that price. But if that's something that excites you, if you want a 90-day strategy where you get to work with me one-on-one, we work on your business, then make sure you check out the PODHacker Accelerator. The link is in the description below. But be warned, not everyone who applies gets in. You have to be 100% committed or it's a no. On top of that, we need to know that we get along. If we do not gel, we can't work together. And finally, if you don't have the right mindset, if you can't bring a positive abundance mentality into the group where you support, you clap, you cheer along, you encourage on the way to celebrating your own, then again, this is not for you. Your success is my success. I meditate daily and visualize my students absolutely dominating the print-on-demand game, quitting their 9-to-5s, the jobs they hate, so they can work less and spend more time with the people they love. That fills my cup. I hope to see you in there.